In Lesson 3, we're going to spend some time looking at the history of biblical interpretation. It's important that we look at the history of biblical interpretation because it will let us understand a lot about what's gone on the last 2,000 years and the differences and the struggles that the church has had. Other reasons for helping us understand, for studying the history of biblical interpretation are, number one, it helps us understand the errors of the past. In other words, there have been errors in the past. The church has made errors. Things have happened, persecutions. A lot of this is revolved around the interpretation of the Bible and how we interpret it and how we use it and how the church has used the Bible in the past. Another reason for studying the history of Bible interpretation is it helps us see the importance of correct interpretations and what they involve. And let's just see how important it is to understand the Bible for what it says and for what God said to us. Last of all, understanding the history of biblical interpretation is important because it makes us aware of the various approaches to biblical interpretation over the centuries, such as the literal, the allegorical, the traditional, the relationalistic, and the subjective approaches. These, over the history, we have taken different approaches to biblical interpretation, and that has affected the way we do church, or we have done church. So studying the biblical interpretation over the last 2,000 years is very important for us to get a handle on what it means to interpret the Bible and study the Bible.